Today was the IPO for AIRO, and if you didn't trade it this exact way, I know you're not a profitable day trader. Now this thing exploded over 150%. There was a ton of opportunity, but there's also a lot of opportunity to prove here that you're an unprofitable trader, if you played it this one way. You've got two types of people, the traders and the gamblers. The traders wait for the trade to come to them. They wait for confirmation. The gamblers come in and play it as soon as it opens with zero past price action. Now here's the thing. You never want to chase an IPO as soon as it opens. You always want to let it set up first. I did the same thing with CRCL a few weeks ago as well for a massive win. Now let's just say this thing opens and you chase it up here at 16 bucks a share. There's zero past price action, nothing to actually gauge risk off of other than just purely hopes and dreams. Not to mention not being able to manage risk in halts. Now from that entry, this thing would have given you about a $15 move all the way to the highs. With a low win rate gamble, you are not profitable if you traded it this way. But if you traded it with confirmation on the second part of its move, you are likely a profitable day trader. Or you will be soon. See, the actual move here was not this first move out of the open, but it's after it actually formed a defined risk or an actual plan here. So this thing confirms the upside direction and obvious strength here out of the open. I'm looking for the actual setup. So price pulls back and we start to find buyers here to confirm support off of VWAP. Once we start to find buyers here off of VWAP and we confirm back over the moving averages, that is the proper entry. Here is proof of the entry right here, posted up earlier in the free trial. And got a massive move from the 26s all the way up into the upper 30s. Because now I have a clear defined risk off of VWAP. I know where my previous high is for my levels of range, which means I have an actual replicable strategy here. Something that will make me money long term. Over and over and over. The best part about this is you had a much higher quality entry and you still got a $15 move just like you got with the gamble entry. It's no different. The only difference is the likelihood of success. So my question for you is, were you a gambler or were you a day trader? Let me know.